Hi all, I'm Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. In this video, I'm going to show you a clever tip with my friend Donna on how to lay out a paper pattern for construction methods.
So I just wanted to show, we were talking, Donna and I were talking about this amazing piece she's making, and we need to make this really sort of, it's really a regular bezel, just sort of a tab type thing to hold her gorgeous stone, which I will show off. And what I was saying before is like, okay, well, usually when I have to do something like that, I make it on paper and fold it around so that I can get a relatively good pattern for what I want my metal to look like, because it's not just a matter of making like a normal bezel strip kind of a thing. Because you see, Donna has had these beautiful stones custom cut in this sort of lightly fashioned, but also letting Mother Nature show through kind of way. See how beautiful they are? Yeah. Topaz, right?
Yeah. And this is, this area right here, this irregular shaped area is where I need the bezel. So, yeah.
So then Donna was like, ooh, I've got a clever way. So I'm like, ooh, we gotta record that. That's good.
All right.
So this is what Donna did. We're gonna recreate it via reenactment.
Yeah, the reenactment. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so first I'm gonna flatten these out in this really high-tech way. Right.
So that's just like red sticky wax, like sprue wax that we use to take stones in and out of the setting and stuff like that.
Yep.
And she took her high-tech thumbs and pressed them.
I just want to make sure that I can actually lift them off the tile after. Okay, so that's good enough. I used to work in a diner, so this flipping comes very naturally to me. All right, so now I'm going to get
pancakes. So look, then she took her stone and she's pressing down in the area where she needs her bezel to be, you know, where she's going to need metal.
Okay, so that's one shape. That's exactly the shape I need. And I had to do this a couple times before I realized, no, you just got to push it in really firm in order to get the outline.
So all she's done is the area that she wants covered in metal, she pressed down into the wax.
Yeah, so you can see.
Right, so we have a perfect impression now of both of them, of exactly the area we need covered with metal.
All right, so now the trick is, how am I going to transpose this shape onto this beautiful back plate?
Look at this shit.
Well, I take my high-tech Sharpie and I color all around. And then I take my high-tech transparency. And now I have exactly
you see that shit?
the right shape.
Amazing. That's a great, really simple way.
So that's it.
When the shapes are not regular and whatever. So it's the little things in life that are genius. So I was like, we gotta show that off. That's amazing.
Yep. Ta-da.
Nice work, Donna.
All right.